intelligent drawing platform is a tool that allows us to extract or link information into existing P&IDs or piping instrumentation diagrams from facilities. We basically grab the AutoCAD file of the P&ID, we process it into our tool, and that then allows us to extract data from the drawing or link information into them. That then enables users within the plant to more readily search for equipment tags, say for a particular relief device or a pressure vessel where they might not know in which specific P&ID it's located. The tool indexes the content of the drawings, allowing you to search and quickly locate equipment across the set of P&IDs that you might be managing at a given facility. At the same time, it also allows users and inspectors to redline the drawings. So if they're doing a particular walk down and they notice a difference in what they're seeing in the field versus what's depicted on the P&ID, on the fly they can create red lines on the drawings. Another thing that IDP can help with is in the creation of piping circuits for inspection purposes on P&IDs. Within IDP, by creating them within the tool, you're able to update the latest version of the CAD file and not lose the previous highlights of the existing piping circuits that were unaffected by MOCs or other changes within the facility. A big project that we worked on for a refinery that was starting to implement their predictive analytics system. They were going through P&IDs and cross-referencing instrument labels against data streams from the data historian. With IDP, we were able to help them execute that project a lot faster by visually allowing a team of engineers to select or cross-reference those instrument labels directly from the P&IDs to the data channels, allowing us to deploy the predictive analytics system a lot quicker than it would have otherwise been possible due to a manual process.